Thomas Weather.
The Rich Thomas Weather Network, brought to you by these fine sponsors. Hear Rich's forecast hourly on these Blue Water Broadcasting radio stations.
Hey, how are you? Good morning. Hope you're doing all right this morning on this Monday morning. It is the third day of December. Rich here at 4 o'clock in the morning, and we have weather changes to talk about. We're going to be stepping into some colder air, but we'll do it in stages. We were in the 70s yesterday, 60s today, 50s tomorrow, maybe only 40s on Wednesday. Some cold nights ahead. I'll walk you through the week ahead. We're storm-free this week until the weekend. Another formidable storm system moving this way that could affect a lot of plans by the weekend. Again, it's an interesting storm system because for parts of the south, it means snow. We'll get into the details. Let's start with today.
On the map this morning, notice two frontal systems. One, the old front that brought the rain over the weekend, and the second front has made it to Troy early this morning. That's the cool front that will deliver the first stage of cooler air. Notice some scattered showers out ahead of it in southeast Alabama today before moving out of the state this afternoon, and the colder air comes in tonight with the low temperature in the upper 30s here in central Alabama, but even 20s and teens up to the north of us tonight. So today we stepped down about 10 degrees from yesterday. Yesterday's high is 77, today's high is 67. Upper 30s tonight with the first stage of cooler, northwest winds at 5 to 10 miles per hour. Then even colder tomorrow. We're only in the 50s for a high temperature. A breezy, colder day. 53 is about the best we can do. And I think we stay in the 40s for a high on Wednesday after a cold start at or below the freeze mark Wednesday, and maybe even colder Thursday morning. I think we're in the upper 20s here in central Alabama first thing Thursday morning, down to 31 as far south as the Dothan area on Thursday. So a cool day with high temperatures in the 50s, but we're still storm-free. So kind of a chilly week ahead. And then on Friday, we start to moderate a little bit, perhaps upper 50s, but notice that big storm system out to the west of us. Rain in the warm air sector and snow and ice up there in the cold air sector, so a very dynamic storm system. And there it is, Saturday morning at 6 a.m. You see that? Right around Galveston, Texas, that low-pressure area moving on eastward. So showers come in on Friday night, and a good bed of soaking rain at times on Saturday. Notice the snow and ice not too far away up to the north and northwest. And then on Saturday night, the front has made it through, but the colder air starts to funnel in. So showers and storms out ahead of the front, then windy and colder on Sunday, maybe even a couple of snow flurries up in North Alabama, I kid you not, and the band of snow going into North Carolina. In fact, this is the snow on the ground by Monday, according to the European. Just teasing North Alabama, and look at that into the Carolinas. That could be a big deal snowstorm for them. Meanwhile, 53 the high on Tuesday after a morning low of 38, I should say. 29 on Wednesday morning, afternoon highs only in the 40s. Then the coldest morning is Thursday with a high around 55 during the day. On Friday, we recover to the upper 50s, chance of showers on Friday night, and a good chance of rain on Saturday, but a cool rain at that. And this is the European showing temperatures on Monday well below normal across the Gulf states, so another shot of colder air coming in after that storm system. This is the European thumbnail showing the warmest day is today, then sharply colder. The coldest morning is Thursday morning. Then those blue bars at the bottom indicate the storm system Friday night into Saturday. Then colder again behind that storm system. Temperatures drop quite a bit. On specific numbers, the European has us only in the 40s on Wednesday for a high. I think that's right. It has us 28 on Thursday morning. Then it shows the storm system coming in with colder air coming in back behind it over the weekend. What a day we had in Montgomery and central Alabama yesterday with a high temperature in the upper 70s. Absolutely beautiful. Today, again, will be stage one of the cooler air, but boy, oh boy, yesterday was nice after that gloomy Saturday.
So I've been looking into the long-range models way out there, and it appears that after a few of these cold shots that move through, we will get into a period of warmer temperatures, a lot warmer, perhaps by the middle of December in through the latter part of December. So maybe 2 to 3 weeks where winter is on hold for a little while, and that wouldn't be bad at all. Live on the radio this morning from 6 to 9 on News Talk 93.1 with Greg J. Emily, and we'll be talking weather this morning on TV on Channel 8 and Channel 32 at 5:50 a.m. with Ryan Stinnett. That's always an interesting conversation. There will be another video for you first thing tomorrow morning at 4:45 a.m. right here. I'll probably be wearing a heavier jacket, probably a coat, than what I have on right now. And I hope you have a great day today. It's really going to be nice later on. Have a nice one. I'll see you later.
Rich Thomas Weather.